My name is Chris Burns, and I'm a third season tool tech here at Make48. And I am the CNC expert running the two ShopBot tools in the back room. I'm a former woodworking teacher, and I was the first full-time employee at Shopbot Tools back in the early days, which is now over 2 decades ago. We have been making cabinets on the larger gantry tool, and on the smaller tool we can do smaller, more intricate things. And one of the things that we're doing that's kind of interesting is we're building the Trophy. The larger Shopbot that has a 4-foot by 8-foot cutting area also has a 4th axis at the end of the tool. And what that allows the tool to do is actually rotate a 4th axis. Think of it in terms of having a lathe, but having a motor control the indexing of it. So you can actually do 3-dimensional carving in the round on that. So it's very fun to use.